So this is how you will be setting up your National Geographic pottery wheel. You want to start by taking the arm tool and you want to thread it into one of the two spaces here at the top of the wheel. On the right-hand side, you will want to thread it if you are right-handed, and on the left-hand side, you'll want to thread it if you are left-handed. I am right-handed. Place the arm into the space and quickly thread it on down. And get it finger tight. This will move, but that is okay. You want that. For the next step, you want to take the bat head and put it onto the wheel head. There is a hex nut in here that will fit snugly onto the bat head. Once it's on, it does not spin. After that, you want to prepare your centering tool. This piece goes on to the tool arm. There is a space here right about in the middle with an X on it that will match perfectly with the tools you have in your kit. You just gently press up and it clips in. When you place the centering tool on the tool arm, you want to make sure that the smooth side is facing the center of the wheel. Once you have that in place, you want to make sure that your wheel is on a stable surface. Once that is done, you're ready to plug in, but you need to make sure that on the right-hand side, the power button is in the off position. You take your adapter, and at the back on the right-hand side of the unit, there is a plug cover. Uncover the plug and insert the adapter.